All right, hey everyone, welcome to your weekend free video. The theme of the video is going to be, are we going higher to go much lower? That's the game I'm trying to play from Monday all the way through next Wednesday. This is a hypothetical scenario that I'll be looking out for. The weekly chart on the right hand side is the Qs, and we have kind of a larger view of that head and shoulders that we've been looking at for quite some time, at least a few months. So now what we're looking at is, after one of the most nonsensical weeks heading into quarterly rebalancing and a new month, looks like this head and shoulders that's been forming for a while is now kind of coming into its possible completion. And what that means is, once the Qs get up to about 366, if we are pretty strong Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there's that head and shoulders that we'll be looking forward to. So on Wednesday, I think it's safe to where if the S&Ps or the Qs are trading much higher, back into at least 378 for the Qs, and then on the S&P it's going to be, slightly above 4,600 possibly. And right now, this afternoon on a Friday, market's been sluggish. It's very much in par with how we've been trading for the past few weeks, where you have a little bit of euphoria Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then things start to get real tricky. So I think this is just a really tough kind of random, no directional conviction. Everything gets sold off. Just been kind of a weird week. But what I'm looking for next week is the first hypothetical where things are just strong Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for no other reason but just getting through quarterly rebalancing, and then the fact that we've been trading back up to 4,600. Makes sense to me to kind of revisit the earlier week highs, 4,600, 4,632. If you use John's quant pivot levels, you're looking at the midpoint here, and then your H1 at 46, roughly 4609, and then your H1, which would be all the way up there, has a 37.7% chance of getting up there, where those AI bots are taking advantage of price action. So that's what I'm looking for. I know that this afternoon here on this Friday has been kind of tough, and yes, at times it seems like we were going to have a little bit of a end of week push, but it seems like every little bit gets slightly sold off. And so it's just kind of tough. At the time of this recording, it's about 245, 240. And again, the NASDAQ is heavy, the S&Ps can't go to neutral, and tech is not helping out either. So that's why over the long term, for the next 2 or 3 months, we'll be focusing on sideways trading, maybe a little bit further down, especially if that head and shoulders pattern comes into fruition and that prophecy is fulfilled. We'll be ready for it. So, as traders, we know there's always a market to trade. It's just some are favorable and some are not so favorable. So keep your head up. If you had a tough week, we'll hit it Monday, and I'll be looking for a gap up and strength for just the first part of the week. If none of that happens and we are just falling apart on Monday, that's looking like a really bad scenario. Like I would not be surprised if it was aggressively lower, and that would be, everything we talk about in my live sessions, the negative ticks, the put call ratio going sky high, the advanced decline in negative 1,500 territory, just all the negative things, and that would create a new narrative for, this is, the new year. This is not so much 2021 and 2020 anymore, and we kind of already know that. But again, just trying to see if this market has a little bit of false buying. So, that's the theme of my video here, which is just, are we going to go higher to just completely fall apart? So that's what I'll be looking for. We'll see you on Monday, new schedule. Super excited for it, and we'll see you then. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.